No makeup, hunty, no makeup. Show Bob is officially in person. In a little bitty 4x4 space is just ridiculous. It's Monty. So it's Memorial Day and I have absolutely nothing to do. It literally stormed all day yesterday. So right now outside is cloudy, muggy. It looks gray, dull, and dusty. So I don't plan on being out there like doing anything. I have a child that's sick and I have another one that's bouncing around like he has lost his little mind. So I've been up since 6 o'clock. And I've worked out. I have had breakfast. I've also had brunch. I've been drinking my water. I took my vitamins. I've showered. I took down my Bye Felicia braids because I've had them braids in my head for almost a week and they were just starting to get itchy. So this is what I have. This is my braid out. So today I need to kind of reorganize underneath my bathroom sink because things have just been getting thrown in there. It is not crazy unorganized, but it's not how I like it, and I feel like I just need to try to figure something else out. I need to like wipe it out, kind of wipe out the dust, because I live in an apartment and it gets really dusty real fast. So that's what I'm going to work on for today. By the way, I hope y'all appreciate this because having a small apartment bathroom, a tripod with a ring light and your camera on it and an extra light in a little bitty 4x4 space is just ridiculous. I don't know how y'all do it, but I'm trying to do it today just for you guys because I mean, I want to give you guys different things and I'm trying to be a little bit more transparent and open, hence no makeup, hunty, no makeup. Let's get started, okay? All right, so this is underneath my sink and like I said, it's not too bad, but it's definitely, I mean, you can see stuff is like falling over on each other. I don't know what happened right here. Like, it's just, it's not bad. I know I've seen videos where other people's stuff is worse, but I'm just gonna try to figure this out. I also have product that is just sitting right here. I need to clean my mirror. I just have stuff, it's just, I need to fix stuff in here. I can't deal with it. right, so I just got done reorganizing this. Like I said, I really didn't have anything to throw out. I just need to put things back in their place. So I'm satisfied with it. All right, so out of everything you guys saw from underneath the cabinet, this is the only products that I have to throw out. I have some Alikay natural products that just didn't work for my hair. I have some bath salts that have like some brown situation going on, so I'm gonna just toss the whole container. I have a Carol's Daughter hair milk. It's starting to smell funky. Some mystery oil that also doesn't smell too good. I have an empty thing of scrubbing bubbles. And this Jane Carter Nourish and Shine stuff. I don't know. I'm just over it. Hopefully when you do your declutter, your reorganized situation, you'll have a lot more stuff to get rid of. Yeah, I feel like I should have had thrown out a lot more stuff, but most of my stuff was new. So there we go. Alright, so I did go ahead and clean off my lanterns. I housed my skincare in here. I got these from my wedding, and so I just repurposed it. I thought it looked cute in the bathroom, so I put my skincare in there. Boom, bang, pow. There you go. I did clean the counter. I washed it down. I dried it so it can be somewhat spot clean, because that's what the professionals do. So in this corner, I have all of my daily essentials. So I have my DIY body scrubs. I have a brown sugar body scrub. And then I have a turmeric sugar scrub that I use for my face to help with the dark spots, hyperpigmentation, you know, the whole melanin situation. Then I have this oil cleansing balm that I recently got during the Sephora spring sale. I have my DIY lava soap, as you can see, with 3 different layers and colors. I have that. I have my Clarisonic. I have that blue soap in the corner is my face wash. I love using AIM toothpaste. It's cheap, it's affordable. I can find it at the dollar store and Walmart. And the little caddy is from Amazon. So alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment down below, thumbs the video up, and subscribe if you have not already. As always, I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.